Steve.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D hologram thingy with your tablet or your cell phone, okay? So with further ado, let's go to our lab and see what we are going to need. Okay, first you are going to need a template, a hologram project template. Yes, Dr. Pi and Steam Stream, okay? I'll give you the link where you can download it. This is for phone and this is for the tablet. Next, you will need this kind of plastic. I got mine in Office Depot. Yeah, you ask to laminate, you know, what you put things in the middle and then laminate it. Just ask for a laminated thing without nothing inside, okay? This one costs like 15 pesos, so that's it, okay? So you go there and you ask for a lamination process with nothing inside, so you get a clear plastic. The clearer the better, okay? So there you are. You're going to put it upside in the top part of your template, and then we are going to add some tape there, okay? So we're going to put it there so it doesn't move, okay? Go. Okay, I put it first in the corners. Okay, put it there. Give it to the other side. And now this part. Okay, the same. I'm going to other side, this one, okay, here, very good, there you go. Okay, and then you are going to go for some scissors and start cutting, okay? One more thing, just right here, when I cut the last part here, I just make a little bit more room here, okay? A little bit more room, so it helps me glue it, okay? That's it. Go right there. And that's it. So I cut them this too. So later I will use them for sticking this part to the other one, so I have the pyramid, okay? Let me do it and be back with you. I'm going to do the tablet template, okay? But if you want, you can do it the phone. Whatever you like. Also, these ones, you do it right here, okay? Make it like this. Just a tiny one. Just a tiny one. Very good. That's it. And there it is. Let me cut it and I will back with you. Hello, welcome back. Okay, we already cut it. And we are going to fold it. Remember the little flapping things that I told you? Okay, I already put it there, so I can glue it together. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit tricky, but just have little patience. So you're going to, whoops, it's alive. you're going to start like folding it in the line, okay? So you need to be like with a lot of patience. You need to have patience here, okay? Very good. I got one. Look at this. I got one. And fold it very good, like this. And that's it. And you do for all the rest of the sides of the pentagon, okay? Let's finish this one. Do it, and I'll be back as a Terminator, you know. I'll be back. Yeah. Well, here it is, the pyramid, okay? And we'll just need to do is take this thing out, cut it out. So we have the transparent one. Remember we put it some Durex there, clear tape there, and I'm tearing it out because it's easy to take it out. Okay, very good. Now the other one, and last one, and that's it. And those are the flappy things. And next you are going to glue them. Okay, I'm going to use like super glue. And when I finish, I'll show you, and that's it. That's going to be the rest of the pyramid. And we are going to make some tests. See you in a few moments. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to add a little bit so you can make your own videos using PowerPoint. That's why this thing is here. Okay, so let's bring our template. Our template will be in the down link below there. You can find it. So it's going to be called right here. Oh, let me take out the titles. There it goes. Nice. There it goes. Okay, let's start with find it. This file is 3D hologram template. Okay, that one. So let me explain a little. Let me get out of the way here. Good. So this is going to be the size. Remember, this is a template for a tablet. No, little ones like iPad. So you are going to accommodate 4 videos here. Okay. And you're going to insert them, so you need to find them. So let's find some videos there. Okay, say, yeah, let's say this one. Yeah, this one is so cool. Let's make this one. I remember this one, super nice. Slow motion to stage water bottle rocket. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so we found the video and we are going to insert it in PowerPoint. So just grab it and hold it over there. Okay, and then you are going to make it the size of these little areas. Okay, you need to put it in these areas, but remember you need to make a rotation here, which is like that. And maybe we can crop it so we can have better use of the image. Okay, so we can have it here, and that's it. I put it there. Okay, so it's going to be between those red lines is the best area that you can do, and this one, the yellow one, serves like the middle. Well, you see there we have a little red dash line that means that it's in the middle. Okay, and then you copy and you paste it. You put it in the other side, but you need to turn it 180 degrees. Okay, if you are not sure if you're doing this thing right, just go here. It says video tools and it says rotation. Okay, more rotation over here, and then you can see here is rotation 90 degrees. This one is 270, and again you paste it again. Over here we have another one, and we are going to rotate it again, all looking to the outside. Okay, so the top part is going to be near the red rectangle. Okay, and then you paste it again and you rotate it. Okay, good, put it there. Nice. Okay, you got it. And after that you need to synchronize all the videos to come to play at the same time. So you go here to animations, animated panel. You see there? This one we can close it. Okay, and these ones you will delete them. Okay, you get rid of these ones. Okay, and these ones you will choose with your right click. Get to start with previews. Same for all of them. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Let me put the other monitor. Okay, let's take this one and play from the beginning. There it is. And those videos are going to show up on your hologram pyramid, okay? Oh, it looks great. Okay, that looks great. Let's continue our we're almost there. So next thing that you will need to do is delete this object. You just select it, press press the delete. On your keyboard you're going to press this one. Just let me show you. Just this one, no? Suppression. Okay. You can take I just want to remove per camera. Oh, sorry, that's another thing. So we're right here. So you select it and press the suppression. Also this ones, and there you are. So you have the clean image here, clean template, okay? And then you go to File, Save As. You select where you want to do it. I'm doing here in this project folder, and then you will select this one, MPEG-4 video, okay? Select that one, and you are going to save it, okay? Let me put this one. This is the name. It's going to be Rocket. Rocket. Rocket, and we are going to save it, okay? And it will take time. So after it finish, show you what's the final product, okay? See you. Oh, the music. Okay, I'll show you. Bye bye. Okay, we're ready to test it. Okay, we have my tablet here. Turn it on. Search for the video. Okay, over here. Oh, any type. Every type has different procedures, so you need to know yours about how to upload the video. Okay, but here it is. And I like to play this one because it has a loop. Okay. So here so we can hear the video. Also I can make it a little bigger depending on our units, okay? Well, so it's going to be like this, okay? And now this is my pyramid hologram, okay? As already made one for cell phone, and I made a big one for later use for a monitor, okay? Well, oops, okay. But we're going to put this one here, okay? Right here, and I'm going to put it over, and then I'm going to show you with the other camera, okay? So some camera online. Very good. So let's go here. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Here it goes. Right here. And you can go to the other side and see the hologram is there. Sorry for the light there, but you can see it. And you can go to the other side. Let me push this thing a little bit so you can actually see it over there. Oh, it. Super cool. Well, I hope you like it. And if you're, I make my standing device. Let me show you my standing device. Okay, well, this is my show and tell device. And I mean, it's just cardboard and some foamy there, just for putting the tablet there. I can stand and it has a better view. See, I use straws here. This is if you want to make that one so easy, just cut it the size of your tablet. Okay, let me show you. Just let me put this thing out. Very good. There it is. And let's put it there. Okay, I'm sliding this one there. Okay, very good. Putting the camera so you can see it. Let's bring the camera out. Very good. There it is. And I can push it a little here. I can move it so I got better view, okay? So I want to adjust the video outcoming, okay? So that's the main good thing about this device, okay? And now you know how to make your own videos for your own 3D hologram. Okay. Sorry about the lighting, it's too much shadows here. The rocket there. Good. And last but not least, the other side. There it goes. Okay, and that's the project for this week. I hope you like it. Any comments there? Glad to have you there. Okay, thanks so much. Bye bye.